With this question, who is going to do what? I think the more essential and immediate question is whether we are ready to assign them the dignity that they deserve as human beings. That is the primary question. And then we can leave the rest of, whether who will be doing what in the coming days and months and years ahead. There is something called evolution of society. And we human beings as social beings have a great flexibility to accommodate according to the new needs, and I think we can with the passage of time grow up and evolve into more dignified human beings.
Kamlesh, you said that they will be at the lower strata of the economical section. Well, there need to be full rehabilitation program from the government where they can be rehabilitated, educated, and vocational training should be done so that they can be employed in other form of, and they need to have their dignity. We need to give them the dignity. The people who have for that kind of work.
Kamlesh, most of the lawyers in the Bombay office HR work in the High Court or in the District Court, which is just next door. Now, this is 3 months back, all right, this incident. A lawyer from the Bombay office is an SC, is a Dalit. She happened to be sharing a flat with a professor who used to teach in one of the more premier law school, premier colleges, which is within 1 kilometer of the Bombay High Court. So it's a very, very posh area, very posh school. And it's shocking that we're saying this, but it's exactly 2 months back, I think. As soon as her roommate came to know that she is Dalit, the utensils were kept separately, and the rules and regulations came in, and the girl decided to shift her house. So this is a lawyer vis-a-vis a professor in a state funded college, a premier college, and this is the city of Bombay. Yeah. So the question is about, I think what Sanjay and all, everybody's trying to online over. It's not. I think what Prasad, when you're even talking about sewage workers and all, it's a sliver of our attitude and prejudices. Now, we're not going to accept a lawyer who's worked out of her way, out of her situation, and we're not going to accept her. Yeah. I think we have miles to go in attitudinal shifts if you're going to even look at a sewage worker. No, miles to go. The Vice Chancellor of Pune, I think this is incident, Prasad, you know about it, 7 or 8 years back. The Vice Chancellor was a Dalit. Pune University, Oxford of the East, when he retired from the Vice Chancellor, the head of the university, they did a whole purification process.
Even the High Court system.
Yeah. We're in, I think, a very different